In today's video, let's talk about how to create a new instance of a Node.js application in our DroidScript Cloud account. Okay, so we are now in our file browser, and then we have here this home folder. Just click this one and open this apps folder, where we have worked on our Node.js server in the previous video. If you haven't watched that one, please do watch it first. And if we open this apps folder, we have here this My API. This is the default Node.js application that is present in your apps folder when you sign up for Premium Plus subscription. To create a new Node.js application, just create a new folder in this directory. Remember, in home, and then apps, and then in this directory, create a new folder of name, whatever name you want for your Node application. I will name mine my server. Okay, just like that. Now put your Node.js application files inside this folder right here. So if I create a new file like index.js, to edit this file, just double click this index.js, and then here at the bottom, click this edit icon, and I will paste my simple Node.js server application. It's a simple HTTP server with two routes. We have the home route and then this version route right here. If home route is navigated, it will return a hello world plain text, and if the version route is navigated, it will return this 1.0 plain text. Okay, so it runs in port 3000, but remember in our previous video, so I'll save this code first. Remember in our first video that our My API server also runs in port 3000. So if we open this one, we have here the port is 3000. So in order to prevent clashes on our servers, I will serve this Node.js server in port, let's say 5000. Port 5000. Click save. And to access this server from localhost 5000 and expose that server online, we will go to our home folder, and then in this routes.json file, we'll edit this one and create another endpoint. From our previous video, we rename our API here to my server. I will edit this one and set this to the default API endpoint, that first server that runs in localhost 3000, and I will add my second Node.js server. All requests to new server will be pointed to HTTP localhost 5000, which is the port that we set in our second Node.js server application. Okay, hit save, and then in order to run this new instance of a Node.js application, we'll go to our app dashboard and reboot the server. As you can see, we have only one application that is running because we did not yet start or reboot our server. So we will now reboot our server. Reboot server. In a few seconds, it will reload, and now we have our My Server Node application that we have created, and this is now online. We can now access our new server, which we have defined here in our routes.json file. So we'll access this one in this new server endpoint. Okay, if we open our browser and go to our DroidScript.cloud URL, .droidscript.cloud/new server, it will return that hello world from a home route in our new server index.js file. Okay, open this one, my server, and then index.js here. If I change this text into new text, okay, hit save, and then go to our app dashboard and then restart this server. If you click this one, we can see that our server is now running at port 5000 and we have no errors. And then if we go back to our new server endpoint, hit reload, and then the edited text, the new text has been displayed. Try that version route. It should display 1.0 as expected. Okay guys, that's how to add a new Node.js application in our DroidScript.cloud account. Very easy, very fast. Subscribe now to our Premium Plus account and deploy your Node.js applications online in a few seconds. Tuned in for more upcoming videos regarding these Premium Plus services.